other form I say, Mediana Prophet Erica Cosimpi, Nasabri, Minoa Transia, Jibre, na like a page in a share, na push story no, manenko. Unipa ya dia osaye ma yanko tiasem kakra bi ewo menua bema Shatta Wale Ghana for esopan yie a ye kan se onhwere maame na ohwere papa nko a na anka we dem susi se ne ya yedi na tem no na ne oye we no so no yenti kakra de before after.
And you want me to wait? If something like that happen, you Ghanaians will come after us, asking us so many questions. Why did she die? Why did she do this? Because she died in our house. That will never happen. I will not let that thing happen. Okay? That is why I'm out. Wherever you are, Shatta, please come out and take care of your mother. Okay? We don't have money. You have all the money. We are trying our best. Come out and take care of your mother. In this life, it's not all about money, but it's about money. Yes, your mother is sick. Your mother wants your attention. Your mother wants you. You that she carried in her stomach for 1 year, 3 months. 15 months, 15 good months. Shatta, your mother needs you. Your mother wants to hear from you. I've been testing you when you are doing your life. Wherever I've been testing you, mommy needs you. Bro, mommy needs you. You don't mind. Now that she's sick, I will not lie. I will not let anything happen to her. If our money cannot do all, we will ask for money from the public to help. Okay? I'm done. I'm telling you guys, I'm not doing this for joke. So those of you calling me, telling me, asking me, is this true? Are you sure you are not joking? Do I sound like I'm joking? Huh? Do I look like a joke to you guys? Please. Shatta Wale fans, the ones calling me, asking me those questions, we know that I'm a Shatta fan. We know that Shatta have money. So why are you telling us that please, respect yourselves. Okay? Your boss, talk to your boss to take care of her mother. This woman suffered a lot. I don't want to talk much. Thank you.
Merci. Ye misa se ye nua ba ya odi atemi no kasa ti a Shatta Wale ke kan sama kese no all ma compliment o show compliment e kan sa won o show compliment edema Stone Boy say Stone Boy enim nyansa sabe ese Shatta Wale na Stone Boy no ba Shatta Wale ho be Stone Boy e kwa ni mu abrabom sin Shatta Wale kan sam bibli me bisa se me nia se me soja agum me nia se me kase obi nyaade obi yaade na mo habet se kire ma no kase Ghana fo yam pere nipa kanko ni nyai nipa hwe ase e mfa hwe mre enanso ya disto Shatta Wale atemo ki kan samwa eni ho because miminu minu yam pa Shatta Wale asem ya kan samwa eni ho egu nipa so ya kan sam fin egu nipa so enanso ye nua ba ma Shatta Wale atumi atofie brand new ewo abokobi a kanitiska yebeka 1 billion. I stand to be corrected. 1 billion. Abranti yato. Edi amana ma. Ne manager Sammy Flesh eda ne bi. Aden na sa bai wa na obedis. Shatta Wale atembeki kan adwen kire kan sam fon de kire no. Ma Shatta Wale di enibre ni awerebo. Ne betwetwe ya. Na ne media na ahidin. TikTok ahidin. Me ba cho ko TikTok attention Tvgh fanza bosso e do bako YouTube sisi a na wansa akansam a make na Privacy Foundation is yase hwade niama mi ka bi no maame a wo hwɛ me wo a hwɛ wo ba na gya yɛ yi ase ntamato na funu na wawuo no mpo yanhye na ne nyam wo bra wote ase owu ye de graphic afa na de kente gu so ye de be kwa ye bi kente na aka graphic no de ko maame ni paseye mfaso bi ye ni so edimboni mfaso bi ye ni so maame abayo abedi Shatta what I tell before no aka mi susu sa ba be kasa na me kasa maame Shatta Wale maame Mr. You own Ghanaians apology senya Ghana for kind obana ye inti woda Ghana for nyinas na mu maame kyerɛ oba dɔ enne kyerɛ oba ɔdɔ enne sɛ oba ba yesi su no ware ya mem harase no enka nje so esansani sɛ oba ma masi so no bobra tanechi menka sɛ ne Shatta Wale maame be ye na anya dio na mu meka kyerɛ sɛ wo a wodi na tamti Shatta Wale ateke kansam fo kyerɛ na bro kyerɛ fo brothers ya meka yes mo ma abo ani mo hye ne komu din ana mo pie ni kwa ani ofisa mo sɛ no but kwa no be koso na meka ne sɛ anka ne maame no mibisa sɛ soko omo to nsa fresh Shatta Wale ni ko fie no ne kasa ya ntie yi na mo de ba public sɛ nipa ni na tem nipa nkasa ntia no ano edi nkyene edi meko eno ani hyira eno ani tome maame wa be ni na abontene no obedi oba na temati no be kansa moni aka no be bondi moni abo abayo o gina sɛ wa na ya pepa ho mi ni na tem bi bo ba do ba na wa no to atena na de ya to fie ade ama Shatta to fie kama hwe fie no mu fehwetai so mo to ye na aya fese na wo ma abontene me ka sɛ ebia my brother sorry sa de we e wo fie bia mu asase so me tu obi afo sɛ di kan bɔ mpa ma busuafo no mu nyeye aso aprewi yedie anigye wom owu because of his worth because of nipa Shatta Wale asɛ ntino maame wo be kan se Ghana fo bi kan bam nenso eyen bu ase kachire no wabo no eyen kuku kachire so wo do ba na kwachire wei ne ame Shatta Wale no misra nyame nhira ma no maame nti obetima kan nhira se magu ba ne so because o kan ye ya o kama o ton no apampa so se di panton na wi ye mra aya maame fo bi munya badaye na munya botra e wo bi afie o mi am tie bi o mi fie edu ba bia na ya asefem edu ba bia na ya asefem e ya Ghana ni maame wo ba Ghana ni papa nyimo ba onhwe na emum adodode ba mi am tie ma me kan kire e sofo na so me papa wo me maame mo class 2 no jaro enso ne me hwe me maame ehwe papa na oja me maame ma ye bra ye ko japa ko nsuo pa se ye didie no na me hwe no obanti papa ne ton ejapade wa bra ma ye nyina efofofo de kosi store mo ba awofo Ghana awofo mo na mo ka wasem se obi hwe o ma osi fifi a hwe ndie ma ndu ne mo ya na no me ni doso me ni maame bia wa wo bebre a ne manyina wadumi wo nyina wadumi wo nyina e wototwede ndi sakwala ne wototwede sa utie Shatta Wale o se ma that street ma ye kubolo where is my mother ye chi mi ko tu mu no na ohia mother love wo nya bi because wa ya de enye enso sofo kan se Shatta Wale be wu no ye jame o ye Peter Shatta Wale ye chi ni ko tu ntika ho na maame bo aboso edi na chi but we yi ni man sanye mo nyina nkamfo na ye Shatta ya me am tie me ye Shatta fan me dobra tie no ye sofo ba me do no me hu se bibi wo no mu oy October bon fo ye ni so hye na so ye bo akoma pa amani pa maame obi nya Shatta Wale wo ni fie akopɛ nti what your funa a wo Shatta no amfa ni ja amarante na mo de yawo ani sum nti oni odo e de ma ne maame no na so Shatta na meka che onse na wa ye nyame hira oma wo nkwatenten ba bia wo first kan de to fiere ma maame ne enye kwada ate me because hwem papa den ba bia me ko hwet na me ko hwe na enye no maye because wa me ye me si me nya ni mu mema na didi akopem so obekwa asamado atemu no e wo nyame nsa Ephesians chapter 6 no aya na maame fo ne kan first verse yen kan 2 ne 3 ne de yempe di wagya ne woni na na kwa wale ho na ye maame fo ne de na mo kan ba se 2 3 ne so a wo se na ne agya hweye se obabu mfu ti maame ne ame ka se trawo se me mo Ephesians chapter 6 verse 1 to 5 no to boas na kenkan to boas o wi am the Proverbs chapter 19 verse 1 go yi e de kan aya ye mem pentem and crucify him ma and ton mo me hwe video house new house na Shatta atama na mama
before we realized that all the thugs were coming down. Therefore it was now right for us to make those moves to correct what happened. And conversation Shatta with some people, some of his godfathers, some of his friends, including all of us within the management team, we decided that okay, this is not what we want. This is not the kind of impact or stories we want to be going out there. Therefore, let's all come together to solve this. Therefore, Shatta Wale said, no problem. Called Ishesmo and tells her that, oh, maybe you and Dan, you guys should start, his PA. You guys should start scouting. So we told Shatta, okay, Shatta, thank God we've spoken to your mom. She's agreed that we come pick her to the new house. We rented a truck, went to her house. She was then living at Tvgh, can you help me? Yeah, Tvgh area. Yes, so let's leave it like that. Tvgh area. I don't know whether we can also call them. It's not Nungwa.
But I say, for comment, Ebra, se Shatta ya dia, can share some good so. Nyame can say, papa to the world. When Nyame Shatta, Nyame can. But I say, bye bye.